Hi viewers, I welcome you all to this Programming Well channel. In this channel, we posting the videos for learning the programming languages like C, C++, and also how we can solve certain problems through our programming elements. So in this regard, we would like to post one more video that's about what how we can perform encryption and decryption in C languages. Okay, so now we go to this session. So here, first of all, we would like to introduce about the role of encryption and decryption in our computing science. So that is what actually the purpose of encryption and decryption, that's about securing the data transfer. So nowadays what happen is in wired and also wireless networks, the data which could be transferred from one place to another place, and nowadays we can see in WhatsApp chat also. So whatever messages we transferring from one end to another end, what happen is it's completely in the encrypted form, which cannot be visible to the hackers. So we believe in that, and also we do our chat without any hesitations. Whatever it is, still hackers, they're doing their best to what hack the messages. But actually WhatsApp uh, WhatsApp, it is providing what encryption, advanced encryption method so to secure the messages, and which could be what secured one. And also we have to keep on having the updates about the WhatsApp that can help us to secure our chat by using the WhatsApp application. Okay, right. So now I come to the point. So the information security, it is what a technique which can be suggested to hide the message from the intruders and also hackers. So how that could be done, in the sense here you can see a small demo that's about what Alice and Bob in two different ends, and Alice wants to send a message to the Bob, that is what actually he will come next week. And when that message which is transferred over the network, it is completely what changed into what different message which cannot be understood by the people. Okay, so that is what actually a modified message which is transferred over the network from Alice to Bob. And when the message which is received in the Bob side, that could be converted into what the original message, that is what actually what message Alice wants to send to the Bob. Okay, so this is what exactly how the information can be secured from the intruders or hackers. But actually this is a very simple example, but actually what happened is very advanced techniques are used to hide the original message whenever which could be transferred from one place to or one machine to another machine. So in this process, what is the role of encryption here? Okay, so encryption, it is what actually changing the original received message into a encrypted one, which cannot be understood by anyone, okay, except the people who created the message. Okay, so here you can see that original data that could be modified using a key or code. But actually whenever we do chat, we not actually doing any encryption and decryption. The application which takes care of those operations, encryption and decryption. So simply we provide the input data only, but actually the kind of encryption policy identified or given in the application, that could be applied on our original message, and also which could be converted into what modified one. For doing that, they have taken a method, that is what the key or code. Okay, so the key, that could be a number, or it could be an ASCII value, or it could be some kind of replaceable special characters to hide the original data from the intruders or hackers. Okay, so here you can see a small thing example. So that is what original message is what actually Mike, and which is converted into what converted into a encrypted message by adding a value like number 5. So what happened is, so here you can see that the encrypted message is what actually RNPJ. So here what happened is the original message Mike, the each character of Mike will be added with the value 5. So automatically the ASCII value of them will be what converted into what a the ASCII values of each character will be incremented. What happen is the associated character based on the addition, okay, that would be taken into what sending the encrypted message over the network. So that's why you see, so when you take the ASCII value m, so that is what added with the value 5, and that value which represent what the capital character R. Okay, so in this way the remaining characters also have taken, and also ASCII values are added, and the results ASCII values will be taken into what the corresponding alphabets to send the encrypted message over the network. Okay, so here the decryption, it is what actually happening in the receiver end. So the encrypted message that will be processed to take the original message in the receiver end. So what happen is the key what is used in the sender end, that would be used in the decryption process to take the original message from the encrypted one. So here you can see that the key is actually is what a number which is used in the sender end while the encryption process, and also there they have applied what actually we found that addition operation is what applied on each character. So here in the receiver end we have to go with what subtraction operation, so which can help us to take the original message from the encrypted message. So here you can see that so subtraction which is applied on each character with the value 5 to identify the original message, that is what Mike. Okay, so this is a very simple example to implement encryption and decryption. So how it could be done in the programming in the sense, so here you can see a small example what we have provided here for understanding the encryption and decryption happening in our program. So we have included the header files like standard input output .h, and also string header file, and another one is what memory allocation file. And we have declared two user defined functions. One is what encrypt function, another one is what decrypt function, and those are returning character pointers, or we can say what string. Okay, so whenever we want to return string, we have to go with what cast, which takes what the first character address position that could be given into the receiver side to process the each character until the null which is stored in the string. So here you can see that the role of encryption function, as I demonstrated in the, as I discussed in the theory part. So the encryption function, it takes an input message that may be the original message, and for that original message will be converted into what the original message which is converted into encrypted message. So that is we have shown here. Okay, so here I would like to comment these two lines. I will tell you that purpose of those two lines while I am executing that. So here you can see that each character of the original message will be added with the ASCII values are added with 5, and that resultant characters will be stored on our encrypted message. Okay, so return encrypted message, that would be happen. So what happen is in the main function, the result will be stored on your message variable what we created in this character pointer, and we supplying what Mike as an input message, and we displaying the original message Mike. Afterwards, what is the encrypted message from the variable message when the encryption process applied on our input function, sorry, input message. Afterwards, what we doing is we taking that encrypted message, and that would be supplied to the decrypt function, and that will be received in the message variable, and that will be displayed as an output here. So here you can see that a simple same encryption, you see, as like encryption function, but only the simple difference is what actually we have to apply the subtraction function on the decryption function to take our original message. So remaining code are same here, you can see that. So all lines are same, but actually only the operation what we applied on the encrypted message. So here is what encrypted message will be received as an input, and the ASCII value that would be what subtracted by using the value 5. Okay, what happened is the original message will be stored on the decrypted message that will be written as a output to our main function, and that will be displayed as a output. So now you can see that I execute this code, you can understand it easily. So yes, here you can see that the original message is what Mike, that is what I have given in the printer statement as a static input. Afterwards, you see I have yeah, given an output statement to understand what about the encrypted message we received. That is what capital R and PJ, and what is a decrypted message when the decryption message function which is executed on the decrypted encrypted message. Okay, so this is what a very simple example to understand how the encryption decryption happening. And I would like to show one more thing in that. Actually, very beginning I told you I commenting these two lines. Now if you yeah, I have decomment those two lines. So now you can see that. So when we execute that, as I told you, the each character of your message mic, that would be what added with the ASCII value of each character will be added with the value 5, and the resultant characters will be taken for what will be found by using the resultant ASCII value. Okay, so here you can see that the capital 77, that is what the ASCII value of capital M, and by adding 5, what is the value in the sense 82, that is what the value of, that is the character of, actually this is a 82, it is what the value of the character capital R. Okay, so like that it takes what the remaining characters and also the value which is added with 5, and the result value is what 110, that is the ASCII value of the character I. So like that it is happening for the remaining characters. So from this you can understand what is the thing happening, and also what is encryption and decryption, and how we can do it very simply by using this approach. Okay, I hope you understand about encryption and decryption, how we can do it in our C programming very easily. And also in this program you can identify that the pointers and also memory allocations and string functions and also user defined functions, how we can use it, for how we can use them to implement our encryption decryption simple program using C. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and also you can share with your friends. Suggest to your friends whoever wants to learn programming and improving their problem solving skills for facing the placement questions. Thanks for watching this, and also I request the people, those who are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and also stay with us to take the new videos which can help you to improve your programming and also problem solving skills. Thank you for watching this video.